Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to make a friendship birthday card. So let's get started. First, you will be needed 4 types of colors of any paper. For example, you can take white paper as well and the color paper as well. So I have 4 color papers over here. One is pink, yellow, blue, and this red. So you can just select any of the paper. So I took a yellow paper and folded it into half like this. You can see it from like this. Then you can use a scale and a pencil to mark on the lines. You can see the size of both lines are same. So now you have to cut it. Now I cut it, then you can just fold it like this. So now I am folding it like this. Then you have to get it all the way back and open the card. Inside you will get some lines and you have to pull it out. Like this. And then you can just keep it here and fold it again. Then with the scale you can make some more lines. And then cut it with a scissor. Then one of it you have to fold it again. Open the card, get it inside and do the same as you have done with the last one. Now here we have this one left. Get the card all the way back side and fold it as well. Now open it and do the same. So when you will open it, it will look like a real cake, like this, a stand. Then you have to fold it again and take the second page. So I am taking this blue. You have to do the same, fold it. Over here in one side you can make a card in the middle, a heart. Fold the paper over here and then cut a small heart. And then you can take any plastic or any small bag and put some glue in it. So I have this one. And then you have to stick it like this. So let's stick it. Like this. It is sticked very nicely. Then you can take one more page from here. For example, I'm taking this one and then cut it in half. Then the one piece you can take and glue it over here. And stick it. Now this part is, so So when you will open it, it will look like a real heart. As we were left with this one as well, so you can stick it like this. Like this. I sticked it over here and one side is still left, so it looks like this. Then you can also glue it and get one more page over here for making it look good. It came like this. So over here you can stick it as well. So I am sticking it. And then this page you can draw two girls hugging each other. So I'm just going to draw over here. So I'm just setting it over here a little bit. I hope you can see it. Over here you can make some pockets. And then over here just make it like this. Then you can just make a little bit curve over here. And some hands over here. We have done this and I'm going to open it over here. See, this page fell left, so I'm just going to write something over here. I'm just like going to make thank you written in very good form with a metallic pen, so over here it goes. It looks like Frank, but it isn't. It is and over here between it here goes thank you, and thank you actually refers to one thing, and that is it's for being a good friend. So I just give, or so if we see, so this part is left, and let us do something over here as well. So here we have some markers and we're going to make some borders. So let me come. So here we are, and I'm done with the borders. Let's check our card. This one is the before edition, this one is so guys, this card looks really beautiful and it is done. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching my videos, and please like, subscribe, and please motivate us. Thank you.